The process of teeth in a day begins with a visit to me. What we do is we evaluate your smile, we evaluate your arch, and we determine if teeth in a day is going to be an ideal option for you. There are usually 3 options when replacing your teeth. If you do not have teeth, you have your traditional option of wearing a denture, you have the option of getting a few implants in there, or you have the option of teeth in a day. The difference between the last two is the number of implants. The more implants you have, the quicker we are to restore and get you back to your natural state. With traditional dentures, they're really not ideal in terms of retention, and you're not going to get your full chewing force as if you would if you had implants. That is why we as doctors really recommend getting you implants, because it will bring you back to that joy in your life of eating and eating the natural food that you like.